Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to initiate, how to make scrolling animation inside React.js. So basically you have a long list of items which needs to be displayed in the browser. So for that purpose we can implement the scrolling animation, something like this. So for each item there will be some kind of delay, and this will be the animation which will be there. You will see that as you scroll some kind of animation will be there. So these are the list of items which are displaying here one after the other. So there is some kind of delay here. So you will see that when you scroll one by one, the list items will appear on the screen. So we will be implementing this very efficiently. How to do this? Very simply. So this is a scrolling animation. So there is a list of items which will be displayed in this animated way. So if you want to implement this, we will be using a special library inside React.js, which is called as simple reveal, which lets you do this effect very efficiently. So the name of the library is simple reveal. So this is the, if you just search it on Google here, simple reveal. I have given all the source code in the video description. So if you want to copy all the source code, you can go to the video description link and download all the source code. So this is the blog post I have written. I have given the source code in the video description. So simply go to edit option and go to the description of the video. So here guys, you will see that this is a simple scrolling animation library in React. So this is a simple example which is given to you. Let me start the example from scratch. So this is a brand new React.js project. You will see that. So for this, first of all, we need to import the library, which we will simply say we need to import simple reveal, and from that we need to import its CSS file, which is index.css. So simply import this. And now to add this dependency, it is simple. Just add this using simple reveal. This is a dependency. Simply install this. So I'm using Code Sandbox website, which is useful for creating React.js applications. After you imported this, you also need to import the actual library, which is a simple reveal. And this needs to be integrated from the simple reveal library. That's it. So now we will make a functional component, and here we will simply say inside this, basically we will declare, we will just return it first of all, a div, and inside this div we will simply say hello world. So on the right hand side you will see hello world is printed out. So first of all we will need to declare a list of items which needs to be displayed on the screen. So this will be the items array, and there will be a different items here. You can give list here. So in this way guys, you can build out this array here. So it contains 5 items here. You will see that. Now to loop through this, it is very easy. We will use the map method here inside this div. So simply inside curly brackets, we will say items dot map, and inside this we will pass the team, actual team, to be displayed and the index variable. That's it. This is the arrow function. So inside this we will declare the simple reveal. We will close it like this. So this takes some options guys which you can configure. The first option is the key parameter, which is very much useful when you're displaying any sort of list. So this will be equal to the index variable. The next option it takes is the delay, how much delay you want. So this delay will be there inside seconds. So I will have 9 millisecond delay. uh, After this, there is a render property that you need to initialize how the items will be rendered out. So this will be having these two options, which will be reference comma cn. So these two properties needs to be passed here. So this is the arrow function like this. So inside this function, guys, you will display your items. So we will have the h1 tag. So inside this h1 tag, we will display the actual team that needs to be displayed. So we will simply say team. And here you need to initialize the parameters to this href tag, which is reference is equal to the reference which we passed. And the class name, we need to initialize the class name, which is equal to cn. It's an actual function. So you can see that. So now basically if you refresh your application, you will see that there will be some kind of animation here. You will see that it is taking some delay which we passed here. You can also make it more delay like this. If you refresh it, your application, so there will be more delay right here. 1.5 second delay will be there. So in this you can implement the scrolling animation, guys, whether you scroll items. So you can have multiple things out there. So you can just see here. Let me copy this. So this can be a very large list also, because coming from the API, the data is coming from the API. So you can implement this scrolling animation. So now if you refresh it, you will see that now there will be, you can see as you scroll down, this will be the scrolling animation which will be there for you. So this is exactly what we want from this library. So exactly it is doing the task perfectly for us. So this is the scrolling animation that you can see. All the source code will be there inside video descriptions. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. And I will be seeing you in the next stream. Until then, thank you very much.